Here is how to manage your balances on PayPal Business, whether you're sending, receiving, or organizing funds. First, go to paypal.com/business and log into your account. On your dashboard, you'll see your PayPal balance at the top, including available funds and currency types if you hold multiple currencies. To view details, click on Money or Balances from the top menu. From here, you can transfer money to your linked bank account, convert currencies using the built-in exchange tool, or hold funds for future payouts. Click Transfer Funds, choose the amount and pick your destination, like a bank account, debit card, or another wallet. To convert currencies, click on the currency you want, then tap Convert and select the target currency. You can also view your transaction history, filter by date, type, or currency, and download statements for bookkeeping. And that's how to stay on top of your business finances with PayPal Business. Simple, smart, and secure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.